Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what we have. We have the Aprilia RS 660 and we have installed a full system SC Project titanium exhaust on this motorcycle, and we are give it a first crank. If you are wondering who owns this bike, so this bike is owned by Mr. Prithviraj, the owner of Motorplex Hyderabad. So I'll call him here. Please come, sir.
Chaliye, Suraj ji.
Yeah. So, sir, tell us about this motorcycle. Tell us about you. Tell us about why you went for the SC Project exhaust.
I love this motorcycle since been a while. I was trying to get it for 2-3 years. So I got hold of one. So I said, okay, let's get one of the limited motorcycle in India.
Got it. So you purchased this, like it's been with you for around 2 to 3 months now?
Yeah.
And you're done with the first service?
Yeah, pretty much.
And how much did this exhaust cost you, and where did you source it from?
I got it from Italy, from Bike Gear Garden.
Bike Gear Garden.
So these guys are in Pune and they have dealers in Europe and around.
Okay, so they do the import for this exhaust, and that's how you got it.
I just got exhaust and a couple of other stuff with those guys.
Okay, the price that you are saying is including of the custom duty, everything.
I got it for 1.83.
1.83.
Yeah.
And currently we don't have the air filter and the map in this bike, but that is also in progress.
It's on the way. Yeah.
It's on the way, and once we get that, we will also do the remapping of this motorcycle. But just to experience the sound, we have installed the SC Project exhaust, and now we are going to give the first crank to this motorcycle.
Yep. Let's go.
Please note, this exhaust does not come with a dB killer. So the sound that you are going to is without any dB killer, and this is the first crank on Aprilia RS 660, and the mic I'm using is the DJI mic. I'm not sure how the audio will be captured, but I'm not using any noise reduction or anything as such. Let's go ahead. So this is how it sounds at idle. After 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to give it a rev. Now that the bike has been idled for some time, it is quite hot. I'm going to give it a rev with the SC Project full system exhaust. It's way too loud, guys. I did not expect the exhaust is going to be so much loud. I'm not sure how much of it the mic is capturing, but in real it is just too loud, and it is popping flames as of now. Let me give you a exhaust tour of this full system exhaust. You can see the headers. So these are 2 bent pipes, and then it connects 2 in 1 over here and goes all the way up to the exhaust. Exhaust is directly mounted onto these footrests, and this is how it looks. Looks really cool. So the full system exhaust, the SC Project, which is installed on this motorcycle, it weighs exactly 3 kgs. And we don't know what is the exact weight of the stock exhaust system. So I'm going to measure the stock exhaust. As you guys can see, this stock exhaust weighs 6.5 kgs. What it means is this particular exhaust was 3.5 kgs heavier than the full system exhaust, which means that there is a weight reduction of 3.5 kgs with this full system exhaust, and it is going to improve the handling of this motorcycle to another level. Now we are installing these fairings on the motorcycle, and then we will take it out for a ride to see how this full system exhaust sounds out on the road. So this is the RS 660, and I'm gonna ride it with the SC Project titanium full system exhaust. I'm super excited, guys. Okay, let's start. The seat height is a little high. Oh my god, this exhaust is super loud, guys. Can you hear it? Let's go. And while shifting gears, it pops. Let's go. This is amazing. Can you guys hear the exhaust note? I'm just loving this motorcycle with this exhaust note. My goodness, it pops and bangs. Let me know, how did you find the exhaust note on the Aprilia RS 660? It's amazing. I did not expect this exhaust to be so much loud. If you haven't put on your earphones, I would request you to watch this entire footage. After putting on your earphones, you will go mad. And I'm going to shoot a flyby video also after this, because I want to record how it sounds from a third person point of view. And the bike was in dynamic mode. This is not a sports mode, it's a customized mode, but the power was set to the full. Let me stop here. This is the Aprilia RS 660 with the SC Project full system exhaust. It's like next level, even louder than the GPR Ghost exhaust. Way too loud. The RS 660 is making that sound. It's brutal. I'm not able to hear this bike at all. In the tunnel, it was like literally my ears were bursting. It was that loud. Next level loud. You'll have to use earplugs for sure. It is very loud. Initially you said it is not loud, right? Now you know how loud it is. Yeah. Chalo, alright sir. See you again. I'll take left. I'll take left. So that was the Aprilia RS 660 for you guys. I'll make a lot of content on this motorcycle, so stay tuned. But let me know in the comment section below, how did you find the SC Project full system titanium exhaust on the Aprilia RS 660? With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.